Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Van Ahn Company. It's Thursday, November 17th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Positivity into these grain markets, really quiet markets. Majority of the day started off very similar as you have the last couple days. Positive to start off. Once you got your reopen here at 8:30, they really fell off, trading anywhere penny lower in corn, 5 cents lower in beans, and then you were able to really work their way back. It looked like a little bit of managed money coming in here and aggressively buying, as it really was across the board, and it was later on in the day. So you thought if it was really fundamentally backed, you had export sales released here this morning and they were really friendly. Big sales once again in soybeans. You're trending just a little bit above the pace that we normally are at. We are very front end loaded here in demand at the U.S. because China comes in and starts buying U.S. beans later on in the spring once they're done with harvest. And so we had big export sales in soybeans, very large in corn, and wheat wasn't great, but it was well within the parameters that they were expecting, so nothing fantastic there. But you really didn't rally off that. You rallied midday, just it looked like some general buying across the board. Corn closed up 3 cents, beans up 5, wheat anywhere from 7 to 9 cents higher as it bounced off some key support levels on a technical side of things. Meat markets traded both sides as you're trying to get a little bit more information on the cash cattle side of things, also how much this blizzard might affect things, and see if we get any more sales here later on tomorrow to give us a little bit of direction where we're trading. But for now, it looks supportive to these markets. Tomorrow we do have cattle on feed, so that could change things around, but that is after the market close here. Outside markets didn't do a whole lot until midday when you started to have that U.S. dollar rally up 50 cents at one point. That U.S. dollar is extremely strong right now, which does hurt our commodities and our exports. It looks like it's on the heels of the fact that Mexico did decide to increase their interest rate just slightly, so that could have been the driving force behind it. Crude market was pretty quiet, and same with the Dow market, as we're looking for some new news or some indications on how this next policy might work coming forward in January. Moving forward, what you're going to be watching is just the weather. Everything looks good, and we're going to see what managed money does later on in the week. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.